Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be learning about the minimum and maximum functions in SQL. So what are the min and max functions? The min function allows you to find a minimum value from a specified column in your table, whereas the max function allows you to find the maximum value from a specified column. So all functions, including the min and max function, go in the select statement right before the from keyword. So let's take a look at how to use this. Here we have our country table with a list of countries and a bunch of attributes about those countries. Look here, we have a column called life expectancy. Let's try and find the minimum life expectancy from our table. So we'll do select min, then in the brackets we'll put our variable, so life expectancy. And then we put from country to say we want to pull it from our country table. Now let's run and see what we get. So you see here, the minimum life expectancy in our table is 37.2. Now let's try the max. We simply do max life expectancy. So now we know the maximum life expectancy is 83.5. So let's say we wanted to add in a where clause. So let's say we wanted to find the minimum life expectancy where the region is Western Europe. So minimum life expectancy in Western Europe. We'll add a where clause. So where region equals Western Europe. I have another video on the where clause, so you want to check it out. So this will essentially say what is the minimum life expectancy from our country table where the region is Western Europe. So let's see what we get. 77.1. Now let's also pull in the maximum life expectancy in the same results. We separate by a comma and simply add in max life expectancy. So this should pull both minimum and maximum life expectancy in Western Europe. And here you have it, 77.1 and 79.6. This is just a quick overview of the min and max functions. Please leave any questions in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks.